Go, guys. Got one on the Helgamite imitation homemade bait, guys. Here we go. Alright guys, we did the float trip. We did pretty good. We caught some fish on the core shot, kind of Helgamite imitation. We're going to make some more of those, so stay tuned. Alright guys, got my plastisol heated up. I'm going to add the coloring on it now. Today we're using, well, you can see it. So we're using Dead On Plastics Space Grass for the body color. And then for the core shot, we're going to use this Dead On Plastics. It's called Goose Turd is the color. So we caught fish on this core shot already, so that's why we're going to make some more. We're just going to put a drop in and start out with. I think that's all we put last time. Oh, we shake it first. Got that kind of light green color. And I think when we add the flake, it's going to darken it a little bit. We want it translucent so you can see the core shot. We're going to put a little bit of this black glitter flake in it. It should show up in a clear body. I guess we'll start out with half a tablespoon of the black flake to a cup. See that flake in there. Let it set a minute. The bubbles kind of work out of it. I don't have a degasser, or vacuum chamber. Alright, here we go, guys. Alright guys, it's been a little while. We're going to take the clamps off. Open her up here. It wants to come open this way. So there we go. See that or not, it's more of a, it's got that rod in there, it's more of a translucent green. Alright guys, we're going to cut the tip off of these so we can get a different color through the core shot. Cut probably 5/8 of an inch off. Here's our goose turd color. If you can see it, guys. Kind of a darker, translucent, brownish, greenish color. Hence the name goose turd. So that's what our core shot's going to look like. Try to give us our Helgamite pattern. Alright, here we go. Even pressure. Shall we fill them ends out? Top the screw off here. Alright. Alright. There we go, guys. Moment of truth. See how this thing wants to open up. There we go. You can't really see. I had one that didn't fill out, but the rest of them turned out pretty good. There we go. Well, guys, what do you think? Kind of wanted a yellowish body. I think I used the wrong color. I should have used the instead of space grass, I should have used goose turd and just darkened it a little bit. I think that's what I did last time, but these will probably work. We'll see. Tell me, guys, what you think. See, that one didn't fill out, but we'll just report him. Alright, guys, welcome to another episode of Fishing and Flushing Outdoors. Today we're doing about a 8.5 mile float trip. Never did this section before. We're going to test out these baits we made. Stay tuned. Got a hog head. Oh, guys, this thing's insane. There we go, guys. Oh. I think I found a good color. Huh? That blue claw morph. Seem like they're fired up on that. Be good to get a crayfish mold and pour some in it. There we go, guys. Another bass. Anchor, we gotta get close up. Huh? T-bone. There you go. Two bait or what? Look at that.
Two bait in the mouth.
Call. There you go. Bring some big ones out.
Look.
Spawning?
One of them might be in there. That definitely been feeding, I guess.
So that's got a red flake, huh? Got a black flake on mine.
Red and black flake.
Cool. Alright guys, got a portage here. Huh? A what? Oh, where they flooded it? Or they tunnel through it to get to the power plant. There we go, guys. Got one on the Helgamite imitation homemade bait, guys. Here we go. Alright guys, we got our baits done. See if you can get a good look here in the light. That's what we got. It kind of mimics, it's got the core shot of the goose turd in the center and the space grass on the outside. So hit me up in the comments, guys. See what you think. A little bit of black flake. So we got the epic mold Ned rig crayfish mold 2.5. That'd be a good creek bait. So that's supposed to come in. So we'll do some of those up and hopefully get some more fishing in and test these lures, guys. Hit me up in the comments if you like the lure building, testing, fishing. Alright, stay tuned for the next episode of Fishing and Flushing Outdoors.